Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix crash in journal history on Ladder. So if the journal history section keeps crashing on iOS, these fixes that I'm going to show you will solve it, okay? So actually guys, as the first fix we have for closing the app, okay? So just swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone and then just find Ladder here and then swipe it away completely or swipe up two and then just open it again. Okay, even guys, you can restart your phone, so temporary iOS memory issues can cause crashes when loading history or logs. And also guys, they really advise you to do an update for the app, so just go with the Apple App Store right here and then just hit the search icon or the explore icon at bottom right corner and then just look for Ladder. Okay, so here tap on Ladder, find it and tap it, and then tap on update if available. And also guys, you can update your iOS as well, and yeah, it's considered as a fix for the issue. Okay, so you'll need just to go to your phone's settings and then just go with the software update right here. Okay, and if you can't see this one, you only just scroll a little bit right here to the general option and tap it, and then just go with software update, second option here, and then go and set that option to the automatic update. Okay, so make sure that it's on. And also guys, you will need to check your internet connection, so just swipe down from the top right corner of your phone and tap and hold right here. And yeah, I don't really want you just to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, right, and disable the VPN temporarily. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.